Why bother? I'm just not cut out for this.
Alex stared at his textbook. The words swam before his eyes. He felt lost and frustrated. School had always been a struggle. He wanted to succeed, but self-doubt held him back. He often compared himself to his classmates. They seemed to grasp concepts so easily. Alex sighed, pushing the book away. He felt like giving up. He felt a wave of despair wash over him. It was a familiar feeling, one that left him feeling powerless. Alex longed for a way to break free from this cycle of frustration. He just didn't know where to start.
Alex, can I share something with you? It's something that might help you understand that you're not alone in your struggles. When I was younger, I struggled too. It wasn't easy, and I often felt like I was fighting a losing battle. I wanted to be a writer, but I faced rejection after rejection. It was tough. Each letter felt like a blow to my dreams. I thought about giving up many times. The thought of never achieving my dreams was overwhelming. But then I remembered something important, a lesson that changed my perspective. Every successful person has faced setbacks. It's a universal truth that no one escapes challenges. What matters is how we respond to them. Our resilience and determination define our success.
Mr. Thompson, Alex's history teacher, noticed his despondency. He could see the weight of the world on Alex's shoulders. He was a kind and observant man, always paying attention to the subtle signs of distress in his students. He had a knack for understanding his students' struggles. His empathy was his greatest strength. Mr. Thompson approached Alex's desk, a gentle smile on his face. He wanted to offer more than just words. He paused, letting the weight of his words sink in. He knew the importance of timing and sincerity. He looked at Alex, his eyes filled with understanding. He hoped his story would inspire Alex to keep going, no matter how tough it got.
I know it's hard, Alex, but you're not alone. We all face challenges.
But you make it look so easy.
Easy? Alex, you know I spend hours practicing my guitar every day. Success doesn't happen overnight. You have so much potential, Alex. You just need to believe in yourself.
Later that day, Alex confided in his best friend, Sam. Sam was a beacon of positivity. He always knew how to lift Alex's spirits. He listened patiently as Alex poured out his frustrations. Sam chuckled, looking at Alex with sincerity.
Mr. Thompson's story and Sam's words resonated deeply with Alex. They spoke of perseverance, of pushing through even when the odds seemed insurmountable. He realized he wasn't alone in his struggles. Many others faced similar challenges and overcame them with the support of friends and mentors. More importantly, he understood that setbacks were not the end. They were merely stepping stones on the path to success. They were opportunities for growth, moments to learn and become stronger.
A spark of determination ignited within me. I felt a newfound energy and drive to tackle my studies with a fresh perspective. I decided to approach my studies differently. I knew I needed a plan, a strategy to manage my time and tasks effectively. I started by breaking down my tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This made everything seem less overwhelming and more achievable. I sought help from my teachers when needed, no longer afraid to ask questions. Their guidance was invaluable.
He even started a study group with Sam, where they could support each other. The journey wasn't easy, but it was made lighter with friends by his side. There were still moments of doubt and frustration, but Alex persisted. He knew that every challenge was a chance to grow. He reminded himself that every step, no matter how small, was a step forward. Each effort brought him closer to his goals, and that was what truly mattered. The day of the big history exam finally arrived, a day that Alex had been anticipating with a mix of emotions. Alex felt a blend of nervousness and excitement. He had prepared diligently for weeks, poring over his books and notes, and he was determined to do his best. The countless hours of studying had built his confidence.
As I sat down to take the exam, the room was filled with a tense silence. I took a deep breath, recalling Mr. Thompson's encouraging words about staying calm and focused. I focused on each question, applying what I had learned meticulously. Each answer I wrote felt like a small victory. Time seemed to fly by as I immersed myself in the exam. Before I knew it, I was turning in my exam, a wave of relief washing over me. A sense of accomplishment washed over me, knowing I had given it my all.
When the results were announced, Alex was ecstatic. His hard work had paid off. He had aced the exam, scoring higher than he had ever imagined. But more than the grade, it was the sense of pride and self-belief that truly mattered. He felt a newfound confidence. He had overcome his self-doubt and achieved something he had once thought impossible. This triumph was a testament to his perseverance and determination.
Alex's journey taught him the power of persistence. He learned that challenges are not meant to break us, but to make us stronger. He discovered that with hard work, determination, and the support of those around us, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Remember, the next time you face a challenge, don't give up. Embrace the struggle. Believe in your ability to overcome it. For within each of us lies the power to achieve greatness. All we need to do is persist.